3 ingredients in 10 minutes. Border-style green salsa coming right up. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. This green salsa is an easy family recipe, and once you make it, you'll put it on everything. Let's get into it. For this salsa, you will need 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tomatillos, 3 jalapeños, 1/4 of a white onion, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We start by removing the husks from the tomatillos. They'll feel a little tacky at first, but once you rinse them, the stickiness goes away. Next, remove the stems from the jalapeños. If you want your salsa mild, you can remove the seeds and veins from 1 or 2 of them. Cut the onion into 4 pieces and set one aside. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. Add the tablespoon of oil. Then place your 3 green tomatillos in the cold pan. Grab your jalapeños. I have 2 whole and 1 deseeded. Lastly, add the onion to the cold pan. Cover, then turn the heat to medium-low. Let everything cook for about 10 minutes, giving it a stir at the 5-minute mark until the tomatillos turn a lighter green and look cooked. Place everything in a blender and blend until smooth, or leave it slightly chunky if that's your style. Border-style green salsa. 3 ingredients in 10 minutes, and it goes on everything. Tostadas, gorditas, eggs, chips, you name it. For more Tex-Mex and Mexican recipes done right, head to TexMexAtHome.com. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now, I've been waiting for this all day. Perfecto. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.